Hi, I'm Sherry, one of your PEMF specialists here at Naturally Unbridled Wellness. I'm also a certified weight management consultant and a health coach. Today I want to chat with you a little bit about how to make realistic, sustainable lifestyle changes. So instead of going on all these crazy diets and trying to do something drastic, really take into account what you could do long term to last. So it's these long term sustainable changes that are really going to make a difference in your body and your wellness. So let me give you an example. So if you're trying to implement exercise into your life, but maybe you haven't exercised in quite a while, it's pretty unrealistic to tell yourself that, well, I'm going to start working out for an hour every day. It's probably not going to happen. Where are you going to come up with that hour? But if you said, okay, I'm going to just do 10 to 15 minutes every day, get up a little bit earlier and get to work. So what you can do with that is once you get in that habit where you're doing it every day like that, or as many, maybe it's 3 times a week, whatever, it doesn't have to be every day. Like I said, something sustainable and realistic for you and implementing it into your life. And then you think, oh, Sherry, is 10 to 15 minutes enough? Yes, it's enough to get into the habit. It's enough to make some changes with your body and your health. And once you are doing that for a while and you've got that sustainability, it's now a habit, then you don't have to, but you may start adding a little bit more time or adding another day to your exercise program. It doesn't have to be hard. You can make small sustainable changes that will make a huge difference in your life. And if this is what the Diet Terminator program is all about, if you haven't heard, we've brought the program that I created, the Diet Terminator, to Naturally Unbridled Wellness, and we are starting, it's a group class starting Tuesday, May 4th. You still have time to sign up. If you have questions, feel free to call our office. Thanks for watching.